Hi guys, so this is 5500 Chevy, these kind of trucks. So if you want to know where the fuse box location, the first one is going to be right in here. And to pop it open, you just click here and in here, and there it is. And there's your fuses. To close it, just make sure it clicks both ways, here and there. That's your first fuse box location. So if you want to get to OBD port, plug in the computer or DQ. It's somewhere, mine's hanging right in here. Yours might be somewhere in this location, somewhere here. There's also some other fuse, I don't know what that one's for. Comment below if you know. So there you go. And then to get to the second fuse box location, you have to go on this side. It's gonna be on the passenger side. All you do is just open this, and it's right here. I don't know if you guys have a cover, but I just opened it, and the location is right in here. That's the location. So there you go. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. And if you have any questions, comment below, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.